Working this hard, he'll achieve his dream body in no time. He's definitely enjoying this meal to the fullest.
What the actual? How'd you get in there?
I was playing hide and seek and might have tried too hard.
Jess!
Buddy, you should wait for the snow to melt before digging up the bone you buried.
Everybody sit. Everybody sit.
Disabilities don't diminish her love for her owner. Is your dog's first reaction to snow as hilarious as theirs? Welcome home, man. Hurry up and take me for a walk.
Hi, what in the world? Millie. Millie, who turned that on? Did you turn that on? Millie.
This is a helpful distraction method if you need to focus on work.
Oh.
Without skill, you can't achieve that speed and perfect posture. Oh boy, please let him outside. That's enough proof of his eagerness. I'm not sure this glass cleaner works, but it's definitely hilarious. With that tail, even at 100%, you'll still lose. Know when to stop.
What is wrong with you?
Boxers are such timid dogs. He's a prime example. Sorry, but pay attention to me. No, it's mine. When you have a sibling and aren't ready to share your dad. Calm down, buddy. Everything takes time to prepare. Filming with your sibling means you'll never have a perfect video.
Come on, mister. Come here. Come here.
Videos of dogs wearing shoes never fail to make me laugh. How about you?
Come here, mister.
If your dog is lazy about drinking water, turn it into a challenge like this.
So let's fix up the sound. Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Good job.
Oh my, what's that? Get in line. None comes before me. Seems like this little buddy hasn't learned how to treat a living ball yet. Wake up!
Stop it.
Do you even know what time it is? It's breakfast time. After this, he'll probably brace himself every time the door opens to avoid a heart attack. You won't find boxers adorable until you see them with their dads.
You are leaning against me so hard that your back fat is wriggling. What are you doing? I'm tired. Buddy.
Where's the food? Mum, where did you hide it? I've been looking everywhere. Being siblings means there's no room for compromise in an argument.
Oh, you're gonna get your butt kicked, Tonka. Leave Quiggy alone. Now he's leaving. He's leaving.
If you want a peaceful weekend, you better take him for a walk now.
What?
Imagine being a burglar and running into him. You'd be scared to death. He was born for this. This is hilarious. Boxers are such quirky and lovable companions. Don't miss the next video.